Tracking employee time in Deel is a streamlined process that can help you manage remote teams, contractors, and employees with ease. If you're new to Deel or just starting to explore how it works, this guide will walk you through exactly how to track employee time efficiently in the platform. Stay tuned because by the end, I'll even show you how to get exclusive access to an extended free trial of Deel, so stick around. When you first log into Deel, the dashboard is your starting point. It's here you'll find an overview of all the employees or contractors you're managing. Tracking time starts by ensuring that you have your team set up correctly in the system. If you're working with contractors, they'll typically report hours based on the terms of their agreement, and Deel makes it easy to configure these arrangements. To begin tracking time, first navigate to the Work Hours section within your employee's profile. This is where you can set up hourly tracking. You can either choose to manually enter hours or connect Deel to a time tracking tool if your team is already using one. Deel allows for easy integration with tools like Clockify, making the process even smoother for teams that are used to external systems. Once you've set the tracking preferences, your employees can start logging their time. Deel allows employees to input their hours directly through the platform, making it easy for them to track and submit time worked. The time tracking is flexible, allowing your employees to log hours daily, weekly, or according to whatever suits your workflow. This can be especially useful for remote teams working across different time zones. For those of you managing a larger team, Deel also offers bulk time entries, which can save a lot of time on manual entries. When you're ready to review, you can quickly check your employees' timesheets. Deel will give you a detailed breakdown of hours worked, including any overtime, if applicable. This feature is great for keeping your payroll accurate and ensuring that you're staying within budget. Once your employee submits their time, you, as the manager, can approve or adjust the hours before they're processed for payroll. Deel provides a simple Approve button within the timesheet, so you don't have to go through complex approval processes. For those of you dealing with multiple contractors or teams, Deel allows for custom workflows, so you can tailor the time approval process to fit your needs. Deel also makes it simple to generate reports on employee time, which is essential for budgeting, forecasting, and managing overall payroll. The time tracking feature isn't just about keeping track of hours, it's a part of Deel's broader toolset that helps you manage employee payments, taxes, and other administrative functions from one place. And if you're worried about managing all this manually, Deel automates many of these processes, from notifying employees when it's time to log hours to reminding managers to approve timesheets. You can even set up notifications for anomalies, like if an employee logs an unusually high number of hours. This helps you stay on top of things without needing to micromanage every aspect. So, if you're looking for a seamless way to track employee time in Deel, setting up your dashboard, integrating time tracking tools, and making use of Deel's automated features will save you time and ensure everything is accurate. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that Deel offers a completely free version that you can use, and if you check out the first link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, so don't miss out on that bonus. To summarize, tracking employee time in Deel is intuitive and flexible, whether you're managing a small team or scaling your business, with features like easy integration with other tools, bulk time entries, automated notifications, and comprehensive reporting. Deel provides all the tools you need to track time without the headache. Now that you know the essentials, make sure you're getting the most out of Deel with the exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching.